Our success in issuing LC at site to import soya bean animal feed from Brazil. A Chinese buyer, who owns a grow waste supplying company, required 5,000 metric ton of soya bean animal feed. The Chinese buyer found a supplier from Brazil, who is ready to supply the required quantity of soya bean animal feed. The buyer and the supplier agreed to use 90 days LC at site as a payment term. To get the LC at site, the buyer contacted us with their LC request. Within 48 banking hours, we facilitated the required LC on behalf of the Chinese buyer from our European bank. The supplier received the LC and started the shipment of animal feed as agreed in the contract. Do you require letter of credit to import goods from overseas supplier? Submit your letter of credit requirements to us. Contact us today, Bronze Wing Trading LLC, letter of credit providers in Dubai. Email us, support@importletterofcredit.com. Call us, 97145519699, call or WhatsApp or bottom, 9715046487761. Visit www.importletterofcredit.com.